Alright guys, big news coming in with regards to travelers from South Africa. Now last week a lot of travel restrictions had been put up by the Canadian government, the IRCC, with regards to Canadians traveling from or returning home from South Africa, or they were transiting through South Africa. Now this week Canada has tweaked the requirements a bit in order to facilitate this temporary exemption. What are the details is the topic of the day. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen. The details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we start this video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is a channel that you must be tuned into all the time. So guys, what we're discussing today is the very important topic of travel restrictions with regards to the new Omicron variant of concern. Now, just about last week, the IRCC, the Canadian government, had introduced a lot of travel restrictions, which included the Canadian residents, the Canadian citizens and the permanent residents as well. But this week, there has been some respite from IRCC temporarily, because they are now going to allow Canadian citizens and permanent residents to get a pre-departure COVID test from South Africa. Okay, now here are the details that they should be adhering to. Now, first, the temporary exemption allows Canadian citizens and permanent residents only. Now, they can get their the COVID-19 molecular test, pre-departure test from South Africa, from the accredited laboratories within the 48 hours before their scheduled departure. Okay, now if they are not able to get that, instead of that, they can also get a positive test result issued by an accredited laboratory once again, which should be obtained at least 14 days and no more than 180 days before the aircraft's initial scheduled departure. Okay, now this is there and they can get it within South Africa, right? Only some laboratories are authorized to do that. And now they must fly from Johannesburg or Cape Town to Frankfurt, that is in Germany, on a Lufthansa flight that departs on or before December 13th, 2021. Okay, now this temporary exemption is only up till December 13th, 2021. Now, once they are transiting through Frankfurt airport to travel, on a direct Lufthansa flight or an Air Canada flight directly to Canada. Okay, now this is a very specific exemption that has been put in place. Let me repeat that for you so that you get a fair bit of idea. One, the travel restriction with regards to the third country test for citizens and permanent residents is now temporarily halted. The temporary exemption says that the Canadian citizens and permanent residents can get a pre-departure molecular test, COVID-19 molecular test, done in South Africa. It should be done within the 48 hours window before the departure of the flight. Now, if they're exempt from that particular part, or they've had COVID, positive COVID-19 result, that should be at least 14 days before and up to 180 days. So that window must be there before the scheduled departure of the flight. Okay. Now, once that is done, you can definitely board the flight, but it must be transiting through the Frankfurt airport in Germany, and it must be the Lufthansa flight. Okay. Now then, once you're there at the Frankfurt airport, then the onwards flight must only be either the Lufthansa or the Air Canada, the direct flight that goes to Canada. Okay. Now guys, I hope the details are clear to you. Once again, I will drop the link of the the page where they talk about the travel restrictions, so that any live updates are there with you all the time. You can very well follow that link. If you still have any doubts, if you still want to discuss your case, please feel free to drop in a message on the number on the screen, or details are there in the description box. Please book a consultation. I would be more than happy to connect with you. Once again, lovely chatting with you, and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.